Imagine waking up one morning to find that your job, along with millions of others, has been automated overnight, no warning, no transition period, just gone. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality we're heading toward. And the question isn't if AI will take over, but how we'll adapt when it does. We're already in the early stages of this shift. AI is replacing creative workers, administrative staff, and soon, even high-level professionals. If you think your job is safe, think again. The AI revolution is happening right now and it's accelerating fast. Phase 1, early disruption 2024 to 2026. This is where we are today. Jobs that are easiest to automate, like customer service, content creation, and data entry, are disappearing first. Why? Because companies can experiment with AI here with minimal risk. Mistakes in these fields don't cost lives, and the financial savings are too good to ignore. But here's the real issue. Most people live paycheck to paycheck. Telling them to just learn to code or adapt ignores the harsh reality that transitioning to new careers isn't quick or easy. Some cities are already testing solutions like reduced work weeks with full pay, universal basic income, UBI trials, and retraining programs. These aren't just ideas, they're necessary to prevent economic collapse as AI takes over more jobs. Phase 2, systemic adaptation 2027 to 2030. By 2027, the disruption will be undeniable. AI won't just assist in jobs, it will outperform humans in almost every sector. This will force governments and businesses to implement large-scale economic changes. We'll see widespread UBI programs, new ownership models, and a complete overhaul of the education system. But this isn't just an economic shift, it's a psychological one. If your identity has always been tied to your job, what happens when that job no longer exists? Losing a career is more than just losing a paycheck, it's losing a sense of purpose. The good news? This shift could free us from the grind of survival-based work. Instead of working just to live, people will be able to choose work that aligns with their passions and skills. Lifelong learning, creativity, and community engagement will take center stage. Phase 3, the new economic framework, 2031 to 2035. By the early 2030s, the world will look entirely different. AI will handle most labor and human work will be optional. The economy will revolve around decentralized ownership, tokenized assets, and AI-driven investment models. Education will shift from job preparation to personal growth and skill development. But how do we get there? Here are 7 steps to prepare for the AI-driven future. Step 1, develop multiple income streams. Relying on a single job is no longer viable. Start diversifying your income now. Step 2, strengthen community connections. Networks will be more valuable than ever in a world where traditional work disappears. Step 3, invest in personal development. Emotional intelligence, creativity, and adaptability will be key skills in a post-job economy. Step 4, stay informed about economic changes. The transition will be rapid, and those who keep up will have an advantage. Step 5, participate in new economic initiatives, support UBI trials, decentralized finance projects, and cooperative business models. Step 6, prepare for reduced work hours. The way we define productivity is changing. Learn to work smarter, not harder. Step 7, find new forms of meaning and purpose. If work no longer defines you, what will? Start exploring your passions now. Of course, not everyone will embrace this shift. Many will fight to keep the old system alive, fearing anything that resembles socialism or wealth redistribution. But history has shown that economic transitions like the shift from agriculture to industry are inevitable. The key is to shape these changes proactively rather than reactively. The future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create. We can either cling to outdated systems or build a new world where AI works for us, not against us. The choice is ours. So, what do you think? Are we headed toward a utopia or a dystopia? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a like, and make sure to subscribe for more insights into our AI-driven future. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and I'll see you in the next video. And lastly, if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. Now, if you want to take your AI marketing and content creation skills to the next level, I'd recommend joining my AI Marketing Insiders community. This is truly a no BS community for marketers, content creators, and business owners who are serious about wanting to learn AI without all of the guru clickbait hype that exists everywhere else on the internet. Now, as a member of this community, you get full access to all of my courses, which are worth over $1,000 in value with the AI Beginners Bootcamp, the AI Marketing Essentials course, and I will be adding more courses over time at no additional expense to you. You also get weekly live Q&As with me, which is your chance to pick my brain right on the spot. And over time, I will be doing more one-on-one calls as this community grows. You also get access to a private community and network with like-minded individuals and all sorts of other valuable information that you can find in here. So you do get a 7-day free trial as well, and you can find the link for my AI Marketing Insiders community below this video. And most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.